So students, today we will discuss about fluid friction and what are the factors which affect fluid friction. Let us discuss. You have seen the shape of planes or boats, right? So see the shape of plane and the boat in front of the shape of a boat or plane is oblong. So why is it so? There is a reason behind it, right? You see the shape of the aeroplane is quite similar to the shape of a bird, right? So why is it so? If you compare the shape of both these, so it is quite similar. So we generally think about that friction exists only in solids, right? But it is not so. But friction is also exists in fluid also. Fluid, I have also discussed about this thing earlier. Fluid is the substance which can flow easily, right? Liquids or gases. So friction also exists in fluid also, that is liquids or gases. So frictional force exists in solids as well as liquids, right? So as we know, the frictional force is exists in solids as well as fluids, that is liquid or gases, right? So that frictional force which exists in liquids or gases or fluids, that is called drag, right? The frictional force exerted in fluids is called drag. So if you talk about aeroplane, right, because when an aeroplane moves, there is a frictional force between the aeroplane or the air, right? And likewise boat also exerted by the drag which is overcome by the water, right? So that's why these aeroplanes or boats are designed to help minimize fluid friction and avoid energy loss, right? तो जो एरोप्लेन्स और बोट्स हैं उनको इस तरह से डिज़ाइन किया जाता है कि जो भी फ्रिक्शन है, राइट, उस फ्रिक्शन को कम किया जाए, फ्रिक्शन लेस हो, और जो एनर्जी जितनी लग रही है वो एनर्जी क्या हो, मिनिमाइज हो, एनर्जी का लॉस क्या हो, कम हो, राइट? इस तरह से इनको क्या किया जाता है, डिज़ाइन किया जाता है. दैट्स वाई द शेप ऑफ दीज टू आर, द शेप ऑफ द एरोप्लेन इज लाइक बर्ड, or the shape of the ship or boats are like fish, right? So that's why the shape of aeroplane is like bird, or the shape of boats like fish. So we have studied about drag, right? So drag is the frictional force exerted by fluids, that is gases or liquids, right? So now we will discuss about the factors on which drag depends, right? So there are three factors basically on which drag depends, that are: the first is the speed of an object with respect to the fluid. Speed of an object with respect to the fluid. The second is the shape of an object. The third is the nature of the fluid. तो इन सभी चीज़ों पे क्या होगा, जो ड्रैग है वो डिपेंड करेगा, राइट? So let us see. If we talk about speed of the object, right, the first factor in which the drag depends, the speed of the object. If a plane moving relatively faster through air, right, will experience higher frictional drag from the air. If the speed of the aeroplane is faster as compared to the air, then what is the effect there? Then it will face higher frictional drag, right, from the air. I hope this is understood. Now the shape of the object, the second factor. So you see the shape of the aircraft that is specially designed to reduce friction, right, to reduce the drag or friction from the air. This is called aerodynamic shape. This is called aerodynamic shape. But you have seen both type of planes. If you compare the civilian aircraft as compared to fighter plane, so it is more streamlined, right? As you see, it is more streamlined as compared to this. Why is it so? Because fighter airplane have a very fast speed, right? They have to move faster as compared to the civilian aircraft, so that's why they are more streamlined as compared to the civilian aircraft. I hope this is clear to you, all of you. So if we talk about the nature of fluid, means if we nature of fluid पे जो भी ड्रैग है वो डिपेंड करता है, मीन्स फ्लूइड कैसा है. जैसे अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करते हैं, ठीक है, तो जो मैग्नीट्यूड होगा ड्रैग का वो अलग अलग फ्लूइड में डिफ़र करता है, राइट? जैसे कि यहाँ पे एयर है, राइट, तो यहाँ पे मैग्नीट्यूड अलग होगा ड्रैग का, और यहाँ पे वाटर है तो यहाँ पे मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगा, अलग होगा. तो व्हाट वी कैन से, मैग्नीट्यूड मीन्स द अमाउंट ऑफ ड्रैग विच इज़ एक्सर्टेड ऑन एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ड्रैग एक्सर्टेड बाय ईच फ्लूइड इज डिफरेंट. तो हर फ्लूइड पे जो मैग्नीट्यूड होगा वो क्या होगा, डिफरेंट होगा. सो चलो एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं और उसके थ्रू हम समझते हैं. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. Firstly, we will take two containers, right, and fill these containers. One container with the help of water, right, half we fill it, and other container we fill with oil, right. The level in both the container will be same. Okay. Now we have to take two marbles or identical marbles, right, and drop these marbles into this fluid and observe what will happen. What do you observe? You observe that when you drop the marble in both the vessels, the marble in the first vessel, which is filled with water, gets quickly down as compared to the marble that you put in oil, right? So from here what you can say, you can say that the nature of the drag is depends on the nature of the fluid. right? So there are two different fluids, so that's why the one marble comes easily, and the you see the effect on the other marble, right? It takes time to come into the oil. So this is all about the fluid friction, or the factors which affected the fluid friction. I hope this is clear to all of you.